Welcome to Module 2 of the Cloud Services Training Program by Royal Research. We appreciate your continued dedication and commitment to mastering cloud technologies. Having established a solid foundation in Module 1, you are now prepared to move into more advanced and applied aspects of cloud computing. In this module, we focus on building specialized, real-world skills across all three major platforms, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. The module is carefully structured to develop your understanding of cloud-native services, automation, and modern application deployment strategies. In weeks 1 to 3, you'll explore advanced services like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions, enabling you to build event-driven, serverless applications. You'll also work with tools like CloudFormation, BigQuery, and Logic Apps, which support infrastructure automation and data analytics. In week 4, we dive into DevOps in the cloud. You'll set up CI/CD pipelines, use GitHub Actions, and deploy containerized applications using Docker. Week 5 introduces you to artificial intelligence and machine learning in cloud environments, using platforms such as AWS SageMaker, Azure ML Studio, and GCP AutoML, ideal for building intelligent applications without extensive ML coding. In week 6 and 7, you'll focus on monitoring, cost optimization, and cloud architecture design. Learn how to monitor workloads with CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, and Stackdriver, and explore real-world architectural models, including multi-tier, serverless, and hybrid cloud. To conclude, in week 8, you will apply your learning to a capstone project, deploying a full-stack web or data-driven application using CI/CD pipelines, following industry-standard practices. Thank you for your continued trust in Royal Research. Module 2 is designed to elevate your cloud expertise and prepare you for roles in cloud engineering, DevOps, and AI integration. We look forward to supporting your journey as a future-ready cloud professional.